Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how KFC's chicken is made, step by step.
Every step follows strict standards of care, safety, and quality.
The process begins long before the chicken reaches the kitchen.
It all starts with carefully selected eggs.
New life begins as chicks hatch under controlled conditions. Temperature and humidity are carefully managed. Environments. Nutrition and space support healthy development.
Only mature, healthy chickens move to the next stage.
Veterinary teams regularly check animal health.
Health records are monitored and documented.
Approved chickens are prepared for processing.
Next, the process continues inside a modern bowl, inside a modern processing facility.
This is where precision and technology take over. Inside the facility, advanced systems ensure safe and efficient processing.
Automation maintains consistency at every step.
Sanitation protocols are continuously applied.
Temperature and cleanliness are carefully controlled.
Digital sensors monitor critical parameters.
Trained operators oversee each stage.
Precision tools ensure uniform results.
The product moves seamlessly to preparation.
Hygiene remains a top priority.
Protective equipment is worn at all times.
Next, flavor preparation begins. Seasoned marinades are delivered with precision.
Controlled tumbling ensures even absorption. Timing and temperature are carefully managed. Once ready, the product moves to the next stage.
Seasoning is the next critical step in the process.
Precise blends deliver consistent flavor.
Conveyors guide each piece with accuracy.
Each piece is evenly coated.
Texture and coverage are carefully controlled.
Automation ensures uniform results.
Excess coating is gently removed. Operators fine-tune the process in real time. The product now moves toward cooking.
High-capacity fryers prepare the chicken evenly.
Temperature is continuously monitored. Carefully controlled cooking develops flavor and texture. Automation ensures safe handling after cooking.
Cooling stabilizes the product before packaging.
Now ready for final preparation and packaging. Portioning systems ensure consistent sizing across every batch. Each portion is weighed to meet strict standards. Labels provide product details and traceability. Operators monitor accuracy in real time.
The chicken now moves into the packaging phase.
Packaging lines operate at high speed with precision. Robotic systems handle placement with care. Protective sealing preserves freshness. Heat seals lock in quality and safety. Sealed products advance to labeling. Alignment sensors verify every label. Automated systems inspect each package. Data confirms packaging integrity. Packaging integrity.
Approved products move to boxing.
Cartons are prepared for cold storage and shipping.
Quality control is the final checkpoint before storage. Every package is scanned for full traceability.
Seal integrity is carefully verified.
Supervisors review results in real time.
Only approved cartons move forward.
Products are transferred to temperature-controlled storage.
Cold storage preserves freshness until delivery. Temperatures are constantly monitored. Logistics teams organize cartons for dispatch.
Palletizing systems prepare orders efficiently.
Pallets are secured for safe transport. Finished orders move toward loading bays. Delivery trucks are staged for loading. Pallets are loaded into refrigerated vehicles.
Each truck is sealed and ready for delivery.
Distribution begins as trucks line up for nationwide delivery.
Each shipment leaves under strict temperature control. Freshly prepared chicken travels efficiently to restaurants.
Refrigerated trailers maintain optimal conditions in transit.
Temperature sensors ensure continuous safety monitoring. Logistics teams track every shipment in real time. Advanced systems optimize delivery efficiency. Behind every delivery stands a highly coordinated operation.
The facility operates at massive scale to meet demand. Clear identification marks the heart of production.
Trained staff keep operations running smoothly. Every team member follows strict safety standards.
Facilities are sanitized after every production cycle.
Clean equipment is essential for food safety. Production never stops in a modern food facility. From start to finish, every step is carefully controlled. Precision and consistency define modern food production. Dedicated teams ensure quality at every moment.
Safety and hygiene remain the top priorities.
Finished products are protected until they reach restaurants.
This is where scale meets precision. A modern facility built to feed millions. Behind every product is a skilled workforce.
Thanks for joining us behind the scenes today. This is how KFC's chicken is prepared in a modern factory.
Quality, safety, and consistency guide every step. Operations continue around the clock.
A modern process built on trust and precision.
Explore more factory stories with us. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory documentaries.
Hi guys! If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching!